In this video, we will delve deep into 5 groundbreaking DIY innovations that you can create right in your home. These projects are not only ingenious, but also highly functional, harnessing the power of nature and technology in ways you've never imagined. Prepare to be captivated by the possibilities and discover how to unlock the hidden power of these remarkable DIY technologies. Wireless connections to household devices. Smart home simplified. Imagine controlling all your household devices from a single interface, whether it's your lights, thermostat, or coffee maker. By utilizing low-power wireless communication technologies like Zigbee or LoRa, you can create a smart home ecosystem without the need for expensive systems. How it works. Each device communicates through a central hub, allowing you to monitor and control them remotely via your smartphone or computer. By building your own wireless network, you can integrate sensors that provide real-time data, enhancing efficiency and convenience in your daily life. The hydroponic vertical garden. Grow food anywhere. In a world where arable land is diminishing, the hydroponic vertical garden offers a revolutionary way to grow fresh food without soil. This innovative system utilizes nutrient-rich water to nourish plants, allowing you to cultivate greens, herbs, and vegetables in any species of climate. How it works. Using a series of stacked containers, the hydroponic system circulates water through the plant roots, providing them with essential nutrients while conserving water. This method eliminates the need for pesticides and fertilizers, promoting healthier organic produce. With the right setup, you can produce food year-round, even in urban environments. The home bioreactor, harnessing nature's power. Imagine turning your kitchen scraps into a powerhouse of nutrients. The home bioreactor is a fascinating project that employs anaerobic digestion to convert organic waste into biogas and organic fertilizer. How it works. By using microorganisms in a sealed environment, the bioreactor breaks down food waste, releasing methane gas, which can be captured and used for cooking or heating. The leftover digestate serves as a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden. This technology not only minimizes waste, but also provides a sustainable energy source right from your kitchen. Water filtration system. Clean water from contaminated sources. Access to clean water is a fundamental necessity, yet lack it. With a DIY water filtration system, you can create a reliable method to purify contaminated water using readily available materials. How it works. This system typically uses layers of sand, gravel, and activated charcoal to filter impurities. When water passes through these layers, larger particles and contaminants are trapped, resulting in clear, drinkable water. Additionally, incorporating UV light in your design can help eliminate pathogens, making it a lifesaver in emergency situations or remote areas. The fermentation station. Create your own probiotics. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics that promote gut health, but store-bought options can be expensive. With a DIY fermentation station, you can create your own healthy, probiotic-rich foods at home. How it works. This station typically consists of jars and temperature controls to ensure optimal fermentation conditions. By introducing specific bacteria or yeast into the food, you can transform raw ingredients into delicious fermented products like yogurt, kimchi, or kombucha. The process not only preserves food, but also enhances its nutritional value, making it a delightful addition to your diet. These 5 secret DIY technologies not only promote a more sustainable lifestyle, but also empower you to take control of your food, energy, and health. The ingenuity and practicality of these projects are astounding, and with a little effort, they can transform your everyday life. If you found this video enlightening, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and spread the knowledge by sharing this video. Explore our channel for more cutting-edge insights and transformative ideas that empower your everyday life.